Good afternoon, everyone. If you have just stumbled upon my channel, hello, I am Kayla and this is BeautyTube. Today's vlog is going to be on my sister finding an abandoned dog under a car, and we took the dog in. The dog is very weak and very shaky, but the dog is stable now. So let's get started and you guys get to come along on this journey with us with a new dog. And I will keep you guys up to date on the doggy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let's get started. So this is where we found the dog at. So I had no idea what I was gonna vlog this week, and I guess I'm gonna vlog on the dog. So now I'm seeing that Disney Channel show, Vlog with the Dog, or something like that. It's really cute. Anyways, but this is where we found the dog, and my sister started feeding him and stuff like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's where she was feeding him, and he was under this car right here. Our little green car that I'm sure you have seen in our vlog, my vlog. And yeah, she was feeding it, and then she finally got to it, and she bring it out. So we got a box for Joy right here, and we're gonna put her in and then bring her in the house.
I'm diving in deep into you, everything I need is you. Feel that love, and if you feel that love, it's unconditional. Fill it up, go and fill it up. Fill it up, it's something spiritual. You know there's something in the water. Something in the water, just something in the water. You got that flame getting hotter.
Oi! No, my hair! You smell. So, she didn't believe us that we actually had a dog.
I thought it was a stuffed dog.
No, it's real. No, I don't like Mocha.
Bethany, he looks like Mocha. No, he doesn't. Mocha's
He's
brown.
a cute dog, huh?
I have to change his collar again. That's the third
let's
time.
name him something else.
You're fixing the collar.
Okay. Can I pick his name? Since you picked Mila's name. It was a girl. I was a boy the whole time.
I named him Bo first, but what do you want to name?
He's cute, huh?
He's cute. He's mixed.
He's mixed, huh?
He's mixed. You can see it in his face.
Hi there, cutie.
He's not full. He looks like he's a Labrador, but he's not full.
Yeah, I was gonna say he does look Labrador.
Or Golden Retriever.
But he has a cute
I'm
face,
so
huh?
bad. Yeah, he does. You checked it's a boy?
Yeah, it's a boy. Because, yeah.
Your anatomy.
I can't say it on camera.
You know there's something in the water. Something in the water. Just something in the water. You got that flame getting hotter. Flame getting hotter. Flame getting hotter.
Good morning, guys. So this is day 2 that we have had the puppy. So I'm gonna go check up on her this morning and then get chubby and get ready for the day. But let's go check on the puppy.
Something in the water. Something in the water. Something in the water. Something in the water.
Esmer came to visit us. She's so, yeah, literally. She got the dog to come out.
choose dogs over babies. Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No, but it's true for you because you love dogs.
I have like a strong passion for babies now.
The love it's unconditional. Fill it up, go and fill it up, fill it up.
What did you do to the dog?
I put a diaper on it. He has a bladder problem.
She put a diaper on the dog. She made him look at his little towel. Oh my god. That's hilarious. She put a diaper on the dog.
Honey.
And he's just like, okay, did that really happen? That's hilarious.